guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got my, I was gonna say February, but my March IPSY bag. I was trying not to be too late in showing you guys. I think I got this like, I wanna say like, I wanna say like 5 days ago. That's pretty bad. No, I wanna say almost a week ago. That's bad. I did check online to see the stuff that I got just so I get a heads up, and their bag concept I remember was very cool, but then again I haven't looked at it since I saw it online before it came to me, and so I don't really remember everything I have in the bag, but I'm going to open this bag up with you guys now and we'll take a look at everything that I got. Oh, and before I get to the video, I just want to say if you like this look, I do have a video coming out, or it's already come out. If it's already come out, I will leave a link to it up here. But yeah, please go ahead and check it out and also give it some love, some likes, some comments, and definitely subscribe. So now let's get on with the video. So I have my packaging here, and this is this month's bag. Like I said, I've already seen this bag online, but there is a cool concept that comes with this month's bag, so I will show you what it is. First thing we always get is a card, and that's what the card looks like. It says create. Basically, if I can see, all right. So basically they give you these markers and you're supposed to like color in your bag however you want to, and they want you to create the colors for this bag and make it your own, which I think is such a cool concept. So I'm going to do that later. Alright, so let's get on with the other stuff. So I got this brush. I love it when I get brushes because I really need to grow my brush collection, and they have such cool brushes that they send to you. So the name of this brush, I think it's from Scone, and it's a large shadow brush. I think it's great for setting the lid. So that's what it looks like. I love this design. I love these two colors together, and it would be great for my lid. So next I have this mint Balm.com lip balm from GLOSSIER, but I think I saw somewhere that it's supposed to be Glossier. Let me just open. Ooh, it does have a mint scent to it. It's a very thick lip balm, so it's going to be very hydrating. So that's one. So next I have this HIKARI cream pigment, and it is cruelty free. The color is called Envy. It's this really nice green color. Let me try to, and I'm just going to put it on my hand right there. So it's this really nice green pigment. It's a very pretty color, and it's perfect for March. Yeah, I like it. So the next thing I have is this Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner in black, and I will swatch that for you. There you go. That's a good black. I don't think it's waterproof, but it's okay. Yeah, it's not waterproof, but it's okay for when you want to do those smudgy eye looks. So yeah, so last but not least, I have this City Color Duo Glow, what is that? Cream and powder. So I guess that's a highlighter, and I'm going to swatch the lightest one for you. So it is a cream, if you can see that. And the cream looks like the cream color, the lighter one. This one right here. So this is a powder, this is a cream, and it's like a rose gold color. So I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty. Yeah, see if you go like, I think I have enough highlight on my face right now, but I will try it. Why not, right? I will try my powder highlight on one side. I feel like I wouldn't be doing it justice because I already have highlight on, but it's not bad. Even though it really makes my little pimple over there pop, but you know what? I'm gonna put that on the other side as well. And I'll put my cream somewhere else. Oh, that really made it pop. It's a lot of highlight on my face. I have a lot of highlight on my face. Maybe I should put some cream highlight on my lips. To give it a more like a metallic look to it. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of the cream highlight on my brow bone. It's really, really lit. So I like everything that I got with my IPSY this month. There's a lot of glow going on, which I'm here for. Maybe I shouldn't have done that on top of whatever I had on, but I love testing stuff out. But yeah, I think I'm definitely going to use that glow and the eyeshadow hopefully for a look soon. The Duo Glow from City Colors is actually a really nice highlight, so I'm actually kind of excited to use that soon. And yeah, IPSY has done great again this month. I think they've been doing pretty well for me so far. Also, I think it's really cool that this month they have something that has a little bit of an activity to it where you can kind of do something cool to your bag. I love when brands are very creative and they allow their consumers to put their own creativity into things, so I think that's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in an IPSY subscription, I will leave a link to it in my description below, and I'll also leave the names of everything that I got in my bag this month. And I hope you guys are enjoying these IPSY videos that I'm doing. Please stay tuned for the next month's IPSY. Hopefully I can put it out sooner. I say that every month, I know, but I feel like, you know what, I have a few more months left this year, and one of these months I will do it. I will put it out sooner. Stuff just come up, you know, and you just can't get to them in time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also in the comments just let me know what product you like the most, and please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. See you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! My camera has a very hard time focusing for some reason lately. It's just like me.